I loved sitting with Barishaji. You know, it gave me peace.
Yes.
It gave me peace. It gave, you know, and I loved walking into
28.
the front door.
Yeah.
You know, it was a nice ambience about the place, you know, made you relaxed because you knew that you were in a nice, good place. Right?
In the presence of a master.
In the presence of a, you know...
Master.
Master, yeah.
Presence of the master.
Yeah. So, and I think your father also used to enjoy my company.
Yes,
you know,
he enjoyed it.
I can imagine,
if I can say that, because we used to talk about all sorts of things. You know, so it was good. But obviously I learned a lot from him. You know.
If ये तो नहीं कह सकते, if you can say that, you can say anything you want to. यानी कि ये आपका अपना जगह है. But लेकिन dad enjoyed your company.
Yes. No, it was an
honor. The first day when you came, I remember, Aajao. It was like he picked you.
Yes.
Out of everyone, he just said, Aajao, बैठो. You know, one of those things, you know, you pick someone out of so many people, Aajao, idhar बैठो.
Halaki he used to see many people.
Oh, yeah, loads.
And